Hello everyone. Today I am presenting our eClassroom solution that provides personalized online tutoring programs for school children. Let's look at why we need a remote learning environment. Across Australia, there are around 20,000 homeschool students. The Australian homeschooling community is increasing over the years. The biggest growth in homeschooling number is coming from children who do not fit the system, mostly on the autism spectrum. Students with disabilities and slow development need special attention and individual sessions. Students may need to catch up with any learning they may have missed during the pandemic. There is a requirement of learning platform provide quality education to all students regardless of location and time. Students in rural areas and who travel frequently get more advantage out of this kind of systems. Some students seeking extra support for their educational needs. Let's get a better understanding of our solution. eClassroom is a virtual classroom application. Supports students to remotely learn through fun activities. We use personalized approach that allow children to learn at their speed. eClassroom maintains database of qualified educators and education materials fit for different subjects and age groups. Educators can enroll in the platform and create their profile with their qualification and experiences. Parents can search educators depending on their specialty and the availability. Parents or students can rate and add testimonials to the educators. Students can access their study materials, share their work with educators using student dashboard. We provide different subscription levels. At the basic subscription level, subscribers can only download study materials. Other than that, we provide group sessions and individual sessions using video conferencing. There is a virtual roadmap outlining child's learning path and progress. Main benefit of this classroom are maintain social distancing, cut down travel time, study in own comfortable environment, personalized support, tutors can earn extra money, and we provide fully functional teaching environment. According to Techno Marketing Research, Australia is one of the fastest growing regions in online tutoring. Research revealed that 25% of students seeking study support. The current industry value is $1.3 billion and it's still growing. Global tutoring market size has potential to grow by $132 billion during the 2020 and 2024. I believe that this solution makes difference to our online education industry. Thank you for your time and consideration. So now I'll open floor for the questions.